Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your ClickBank password, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the ClickBank website. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Password link beneath the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password reset process. You will be redirected to a new page where you need to enter your registered email address. Type your email address into the designated field. After entering your email, click the Submit button. Check your inbox for an email from ClickBank with the subject Password Reset Request. Open the email and look for the password reset. Click on the link to be taken to the password reset page. On this page, you will need to enter a new password. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Once both password fields are filled, click the Submit or Reset Password button. You will receive a notification indicating your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the ClickBank login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your ClickBank account. You have successfully reset your ClickBank password and can now use your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.